My name is Jane, and if you're just joining my live stream for the first time, welcome. On this space, I usually share fun math puzzles and also quiz questions with you guys just to keep you relaxed and engaged after a hectic day at work. So for today's live stream, we'll be playing word word math problems for adults. Don't worry, they are simple, just like the ones we did yesterday and the previous and the day before yesterday. They are all simple math quiz questions. And on today's live stream, I have just eight word math problems to share with you guys. I promise you it's going to be engaging. And this time around, you're just going to stay for 1 hour. 1 hour actually. Okay, so if you're just joining my live stream for the first time, welcome. I welcome you once again. You know how the rules are. You know how the rules of engagement are. I'll be sharing the question with you on screen when I flip my camera to face my wall, and then you have um, just 60 seconds to answer the question, and then I'll be back in 5 minutes to share the answer of the question with you guys. Remember, you're just to comment A, B, C, or D. The answers to the questions have been solved, and they are amongst the options. All you need to do is to type the answer to the question in the comment or in the chat box rather. Okay, now that we are done with the introductory part of the video, let's get into the business of the day. Okay, I'm going to flip my camera to face this part of the wall. As you can see, it's already getting a little bit late, so I'll be faster on today's live stream because we are losing light already. Okay, so now that I'm done with the introductory part of this video, let's get right into action. I'll be flipping my camera right now to show you the first question for today's live stream. So guys, the first question we have for today's live stream says, Amaka is 2 years older than Obi, who is twice as old as Haruna. If the total of the ages of Amaka, Obi, and Haruna is 27, then how old is Obi? Oh, someone has joined my live stream. Welcome. Thank you. I'm so glad you joined my live stream. My name is Jane of moonlighttalesbyjaney, and I'm so glad you've joined my live stream. You are actually the first person to join us. And as you can see, we have the first question on screen for you to answer. Tell me what the answer to this question is. We have options A, B, C, and D. Option A says 10 years, option B says 12 years, option C says 15 years, and option D says 11 years. So let me know the answer to this question. There's no need for calculators, no need to stress yourself. These are just fun, easy word math problems. Okay, if you're ready, smash the like button so that this live stream will be recommended to other persons, and subscribe to the channel too so more people can join us. Now let's get started. The answer is on screen with 4 options. You have 60 seconds to answer the question. Type your answer in the chat before the time runs out. Of course, the first person to type the answer correctly wins, and I'll review the correct answer to each question after that, like we usually do, guys. Okay, so I'll be muting my camera right now to give you time, and when I'm back, I'll be telling you the answer to this particular question. I'll be back in the next 5 minutes. Hello to the person who has joined my live stream. Welcome. I'm so glad you've joined my live stream today. Let me know the answer to this question. Amaka is 2 years older than Obi, who is twice as old as Haruna. If the total of the ages of Amaka, Obi, and Haruna is 27, then how old is Obi? We have the options there for you to see. We have options A, B, C, and D. Let me know the answer to this question in the comments, in the chat box, rather. Let me know in the chat the answer to the question. Like I said, I'll be giving you 5 minutes to answer the question, and we have 2 minutes left. And I'll be back after 2 minutes to share the answer to this question with you guys. Hello to the person who has joined my live stream. Welcome. We have a question on screen for you to solve. It is a math. It is a word math problem. The question one says Amaka is 2 years older than Obi, who is twice as old as Haruna. If the total of the ages of Amaka, Obi, and Haruna is 27, then how old is Obi? We have options A, which says 10 years, option B, which says 12 years, option C, which says 15 years, and option D, which says 11 years. So pick your option, pick the option which you think is correct, and let me know the answer in the chat box. I have 1 more minute to go before I tell you the answer to this question, guys. I'm expecting someone to reply, answer this question. Hello to the person who has joined my live stream. Welcome. Since I have not gotten any response as per the answer to this question, I'll be sharing the answer to this question with you guys. So the answer to question one is actually drum roll. The answer to question one is A, 10 years. Since no one has told me the answer to the question yet, I have revealed the answer to the question. So So the answer to question one is actually A, 10 years. So Obi is actually 10 years old. So so hang in there with me, guys. I'll be sharing question two with you next. Remember, we are playing word math problems today, right? So hang on while I share question two with you. I'm done with question one, and I said earlier on that I have about 8 word math problems to share with you guys today, and we are done with question one. So hang on while I share question two with you guys. I'm just going to put my microphone here, and then I'm going to share question two with you guys. So hang in with me. If you're just joining me, welcome. Let me know in the chat section where you are watching from. As for me, I'm streaming from Africanfolktalesbyceo in Nigeria. So I'm about to share question two with you right now. Apologies for starting a little bit behind time. This is not the time I usually start. I usually start my streaming between the hours of 4 and 5 p.m. But I had something to do today and I wasn't able to make it back to the house on time. Okay, now this is question two. Flipping the camera to show you guys question two. A father is twice as old as his daughter. If 20 years ago the age of the father was 10 times the age of the daughter, what is the present age of the daughter? Hello to the person who has just joined my live stream. Welcome. We have question two, word maths problem on screen for you to solve. Tell me the answer to this question, okay? A father is twice as old as his daughter. If 20 years ago the age of the father was 10 times the age of the daughter, what is the present age of the daughter? We have option A, which says 40 years, option B, which says 33 years, option C, which says 45 years, and option D, which says 22 years. Let me know the answer in the chat box. Guys, make use of the chat box. Make use of the chat box, guys. Make use of the chat box. We have a math problem on the wall for you to solve, on screen for you to solve. That is question two. And question two says, a father is twice as old as his daughter. If 20 years ago the age of the father was 10 times the age of the daughter, what is the present age of the daughter? We have options A, B, C, and D. There's no need for calculators or using any calculator. There's no need to stress yourself. Just look at the options presented before you on screen and pick the one that you feel is the answer. Question two says, a father is twice as old as his daughter. If 20 years ago the age of the father was 10 times the age of the daughter, what is the present age of the daughter? Someone should let me know the answer in the chat box. You can even start by telling me where you are watching from. Where are you watching from? To the one person who has joined my live stream and has stayed with me so far. Thank you for joining my live stream. Tell me the answer to this question. Come on, make use of the chat box there. You can't be on this live stream and keep mute. Attempt answering the math questions. Attempt answering the math questions. You don't have to be afraid. Just pick option A, B, C, or D and let me know in the chat box what the answer to this question is. A father is twice as old as his daughter. If 20 years ago the age of the father was 10 times the age of the daughter, what is the present age of the daughter? Is the present age of the daughter 40 years? Is it 33 years? Is it 45 years? Or is it 22 years? Tell me the answer in the chat box. Make use of the chat box. I think I'll have to mute my microphone a little bit to give you time to concentrate. And then I'll be back in 5 minutes to tell you the answer to this question. I'll be expecting your response, guys. I'll be expecting a response in the chat box. Type A, B, C, or D. All you need to do is type A, B, C, or D in the chat to answer each question. Welcome. If you're just joining the live stream, welcome. This is a live word math quiz for adults, and yes, you can play along with me in real time. All you need to do is type A, B, C, or D in the chat to answer each question. There is no need for calculators, no need to stress yourself. These are just fun, easy word math puzzles, okay? Tell me the answer to this question. Are the quiz questions hard? I know yesterday's one was a little bit easy and I had a lot of persons engaging and making comments, answering the questions rather. So please make an attempt to answer today's question. If you're enjoying this quiz, don't forget to like the stream and to subscribe to my channel. We do not only share stories on this channel, we also play fun brain games like this one, okay? I'm still waiting for your response, guys. What is the answer to this question? Hello? Is somebody there? Tell me in the chat box the answer to this question. I'll be back in the next 5 minutes. Hello to the 5 persons who are currently on my live stream. Let me know the answer to this question. The father is twice as old as his daughter. If 20 years ago the age of the father was 10 times the age of the daughter, what is the present age of the daughter? Is the present age of the daughter 40 years, or is it 33 years? Is it 45 years, or is it 22 years? Let me know the answer to this question in the chat box. Guys, make use of the chat box, please, to the 3 persons watching me right now. I think I need to flip my camera a little bit. Tell me the answer to question 2, guys. Tell me the answer to question 2, please. It's getting darker and I would like us to be done with today's math puzzle so that we can all go and rest. Okay, guys, since I haven't gotten any answer, I'll reveal the answer to question 2. I don't know why today's live stream is being this way. I don't know why it's being this way. So the answer to question 2 is C, 45 years. That is the answer to question C. So the present age of the daughter is actually 45 years. Okay? So stay with me, guys, while I share question 3 with you. Oh my god. To the 2 persons that have joined my live stream, thank you. Stay with me while I share question 3. Hello to the person watching me right now. I'm about to share question 3 on screen with you. Please, you need to attempt answering the questions. You need to attempt answering the questions, okay? That would go a long way in encouraging me. Make use of the chat box in your phone, okay? So I'll be flipping the camera now to share question 3 with you guys. It's getting darker a little bit. Question 3 has my name on it. Question 3 says, Jane is 10 years younger than John. In 5 years' time, Jane's age will be half of John's age. How old is John now? I think this one is a little bit easier. The question 3 says, Jane is 10 years younger than John. And in 5 years, Jane's age will be half of John's age. How old do you think John is now? Is John 26 years? Is he 25 years? Is he 15 years? Or is he 45 years? Tell me the answer in the chat box, guys. To the 3 persons who have joined my live stream, welcome. I'm so grateful. Thank you for joining my live stream. I would like you to participate in today's live stream by answering the questions you have on screen. I have 8 questions to share with you guys, and right now we are on question 3. I need someone to answer question 3. Question 3 says, Jane is 10 years younger than John, and in 5 years, Jane's age will be half of John's age. How old is John now? Someone should tell me the answer in the chat box. Tell me the answer in the chat box, guys. I'll give you 5 minutes and I'll be back to reveal the answer to this question. To the one person who is watching my live, come on, what are you doing? Tell me the answer to this question. Tell me the answer to this question. How old is John now? How old is John now? I'm going to mute my microphone and give you time to think about the answer to this question. Jane is 10 years younger than John. In 5 years, Jane's age will be half of John's age. How old is John now? Is John 26 years now? Is he 25 years now? Is he 15 years now? Or is he 45 years now? Tell me the answer in the chat box, guys. Oh, Ammo, welcome. Ammo Jaswell says the answer is 15. See, wow. Oh, thank you for joining my live stream. Thank you for dropping your comments. I love you. Thank you for joining my live stream. Keep it up. I'll be telling you the answer to this question soon. Just stay with me, hang in there in the next 2 minutes. I need someone else to attend answering the question again. Apart from Anmol, who else knows the answer to this question? Let's see if Anmol is actually the winner. Anmol says the answer to this question is C15. He's saying that John is actually 15 years now. Who else had the contrary answer? Let me know in the chat box, guys. Make it of the chat box. How old is John now? How old is John now? Is there anyone else who has a contrary opinion to answer to that of Anmol Jaswell R3M? Okay, yes. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. Thank you for answering that question. Thumbs up to you. I'm so glad you attempted answering my question. God bless you. God bless you for joining my live stream and for participating in my live stream. I don't take this for granted. Okay, so I'm going to count down now to 30 seconds and I'll review the answer to question 3. Okay, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. So the answer to question 3 is actually, drum roll, B, 25. B, 25. So John is actually 25 years old now. We are losing lights, guys, but stay with me. The answer to question 3 is 25. John is 25 years old now. So guys, I'll be sharing question 4 with you right now. Hang on, stay with me. Question 4 is a little bit easier than question 3. Yes, it's easier than question 3. I think I need to flip the camera for you guys to see my face. It's getting darker here right now, but it doesn't matter. We do this every day. I'm about to share question 4 with you guys. So hang in there. Oh, Amon has told me the answer is 25. Yes, you got that correctly. Thank you. That's lovely. Thank you for answering the question correctly. Please, you've taken correction. Okay, guys, I'll be flipping my. Oh, I just put on the lamp a little bit so you can see my face. Okay, so I think I'll be facing the lights the other way. So question 4 says, a carton holds 24 packets of biscuits. Each packet has 12 biscuits. How many biscuits can be packed in 45 cartons? Guys, a carton holds 24 packets of biscuits. Each packet has 12 biscuits. How many biscuits can be packed in 45 cartons? We have options A, is it 12,960 biscuits? Option B, is it 2,960 biscuits? Is it option C, 12,860 biscuits? Or is it option D, 13,000 biscuits? Let me know the answer in the chat. And more, here's another opportunity for you to answer another question. And to the other three persons who have been on screen with me, tell me the answer to question 4. A carton holds 24 packets of biscuits. Each packet has 12 biscuits. How many biscuits can be packed in 45 cartons? Tell me, guys. All you have to do is to type the answer in the chat box. Make use of the chat box, guys. I'll be muting my microphone to give you time to concentrate and answer the question. I'm giving you 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, I'll be back to review the answer to the question. Tell me the answer to the question, guys. Do the math. Do the math, guys. You can use your brain or you can use a piece of paper to do the math. A carton holds 24 packets of biscuits and each packet has 12 biscuits. How many biscuits can be packed in 45 cartons? Guys, tell me the answer. We have 4 options on screen. Tell me the answer, guys. Is it 12,960? Is it 2,960? Is it 12,860? Or is it 13,000 biscuits? How many biscuits can be packed in 45 cartons, guys? Guys, let me know in the chat box. Let me know in the chat box. We have 4 minutes left to when I'll review the answer to this question, guys. So guys, time is up. I'm going to count down to 30 seconds and then I'll review the answer to question 4 since I have not gotten anyone who has told me the answer to question 4. This is just simple arithmetic, guys. Come on, someone should tell me the answer to question 4 if I review the answer to question 4. Apologies for the noise. I'm sitting outside my house, so the noise from the roadside is might be filtering into this live stream. Ignore that. I know that mathematics needs concentration. Maybe next time I'll stay indoors, but for the sake of life, I have to stay outside. Okay, since no one has told me the answer to this question, I'm counting down to 30 seconds. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Drum roll as I tell you the answer to this question. So the answer to question 4 is A. 12,960 biscuits. Oh my god. Amor just replied me. You just replied me at the same time I told you the answer. Come on, you have to be telling me the answer before the time is up. That's how we play this game, okay? Tell me the answer to each question before the time is up. Okay, anyway, Amor, you got that right. Yes, yes, the answer is 12,960 biscuits. 12,960 biscuits can be packed in 45 cartons. Thumbs up to you, Amo. You did a great job. The next question is coming up, guys. Question 5. Are you ready? Question 5. This time around, make sure you tell me the answer to the question before I tell you the answer to the question, okay? So question 5 is almost similar to question 4. It's almost similar to question 4. So I won't flip the camera around. I'll just paste it on the wall for you guys to see. So question 5. Stay with me, guys, as I review question 5 to you guys. To the persons who have stayed with me on this live stream so far, thank you for joining my live stream. God bless you. On this channel, we do not only share stories, we also play fun brain games and math puzzles just like this one, okay? So the time says the bag contains 289 apples. How many apples will 72 of such bags have? The bag contains 289 apples. How many apples will 72 of such bags have? We have four options as usual. Option A says 578. Option B says 361. Option C says 20,808. And option D says 28,808. Guys, tell me how many apples will be contained in 72 of these bags, of these bags. If a bag contains 289 apples, how many apples will 72 of these bags contain? Just do the math. It's simple arithmetic, guys. Do the math. Do the math. Do the math. 289 plus. I'm not supposed to be sharing secrets or revealing the answers to you guys. Come on, let me know in the chat box what the answer to this question is. A bag contains 289 apples. How many apples will 72 of such bags have? Guys, type A, B, C, or D. Type A, B, C, or D in the chat box. And more, are you there? This is another opportunity for you to answer the question correctly. Okay? Make use of the chat box. Make use of the chat box. Okay? So let me know, guys, where you're watching from. How are we doing so far? Are the quiz questions easy? Are they hard? Are they tricky? I don't think they are that difficult, guys. I don't think they are that difficult. If you're enjoying this quiz, don't forget to like this live stream and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, okay? Thank you for joining my live stream. Come on, guys, tell me the answer to question 5. A bag contains 289 apples. How many apples will 72 of such bags have? Do the math, guys. It's quite simple. It's quite simple. This is simple. Oh, Amal says C. I love that. I love that. Amal Janswell. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. He says option C, 20,808 apples will be in 72 bags. Yes, I love that. Thumbs up to you. Amal, thumbs up to you. Does any other person have a contrary answer? Let me know in the chat box. Let me know in the chat box before I reveal the answer. I've already talked for a long time. I've talked for more than 2 minutes, guys. So I'm giving you 2 more minutes before I reveal the answer to this question. Amon says the answer to this question is 20,808 apples. Wow, we are going to find out very soon if he got the answer correctly. Oh my god, guys. Does any other person have a contrary answer to this? Does any other person have a contrary answer to this, to what Ammo had said, rather? Let me know in the chat box. Make it on the chat box, guys. Tell me the answer to this question. Okay, 1 minute left before I reveal the answer to this question, guys. Does any other person have a contrary answer to this question? Let me know now before I reveal the answer. Guys, okay, I'm counting down right now from 30 seconds downwards, okay? 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up, and now I'm about to reveal the answer to question 5. Drum rolls. So the answer to question 5 is C. 20,808 apples. A round of applause for Ammo. Ammo got that question correctly. I'm so proud of you. Ammo, you are a genius in mathematics. Keep it up. Keep it up. Now, guys, I'm about to share question 6 on screen with you guys. I hope other persons will also participate by providing the answer to this question. Come on, this live stream is for you to participate with me. It's meant to be an interactive quiz session. Okay, don't just watch silently. Talk. You can talk and make contributions rather by making use of the chat box. Answer the questions, guys. Answer the questions. So, question 6 coming up. Question 6 says, a bicycle costs $215. How much will be paid for 7 of such bicycles? This question is also similar to question 5, but this time around, you are telling me the amount, okay? The amount that will be paid to purchase 87 bicycles. As usual, we have 4 options on screen. We have option A. Is it $6,834? Is it option B? $18,705? Is it option C? $1,000? Or is it option D? $4,834. Let me know the answer. Come on, guys, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Who knows the answer to this question? Let me know. Let me know in the chat box. And more. Here is another opportunity for you to do great again. Let me know in the chat box what you think the answer to question 6 is. A bicycle costs $215. How much will be paid for 87 of such bicycles? Come on, guys, make use of the chat box. Tell me the answer in the comment section. As usual, I'm meant to give you 60 seconds to answer this question, but I'm giving you like 5 minutes. 5 minutes, and that's actually long. Just so I'll carry everyone along. Oh, Amo says B. Wow, I love that. I love that, Amo. Amo, you guys, I love that. Keep it up. I love your energy. Okay. He says it's $18,705. Oh my God, that's great. Keep it up, Amo. I'm going to tell you guys the answer to this question soon. Hang in there. Hang in there. I've already talked for 2 minutes. So we have 3 minutes more to answer this question. Does any other person have a contrary answer to what Amal says? Does any other person have a contrary answer to what Amal says? Let me know in the chat box, guys. Make use of the chat box. Amo cannot be the only one making use of the chat box. Guys, make use of the chat box. Tell me the answer to this question. How much will be paid for 87 of such bicycles? We have 2 minutes left before I reveal the answer. 2 minutes to go before I reveal the answer. Let me know, guys. Let me know, guys. Does any other person have a contrary answer to what Amal says or has said? 1 minute left before I start my countdown, and then I'll reveal the answer. How much will be paid for 87 of such bicycles? If one bicycle costs $215, so the 1 minute is up. I'll start counting down from 30 as usual, then I'll reveal the answer. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that time is up. So, guys, the answer to question 6 is, drum rolls, B. So, Ammo is actually right. The answer to question B is B. Question 6 rather is B, $18,705. So $18,705 will be paid for 87 of such bicycles. Well done, Amo. You've gotten like, I think 3 questions correctly. Yes, is it 3 questions or 2? I'm not so sure, but I love the energy. Thank you for engaging with this live stream. God bless you. I told you at the beginning of this live stream that I have 8 word math quiz questions to share with you guys. And right now, as you can see, we're done with 6 questions. And we have 2 more questions to go. So, guys, I'll be sharing question 7 with you guys right now. Question 7 is almost similar to question 6. Remember, we are dealing with word math problems today. So, okay, question 6 is coming up. Hang on. Question 7 rather. Wow, that is question 7, guys. Question 7 says the monthly salary of a man is $2,625. What is his annual income salary? How much do you think he will earn or he earns in a year? Okay, we have 4 options as usual. In a year, we will earn $31,500 or $15,750 or $2,625 or $12,000. How much do you think this man earns in a year? If he is paid $2,625 monthly, how many how much rather do you think he earns in his year? Annual means yearly, guys. Annual means yearly. Tell me the answer in the chat box. Make use of the chat box, guys. I'm giving you 5 minutes. I need someone to answer this question. Tell me the answer to question 7, guys. Make use of the chat box. This one is easier. It's easier than the last one, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it's easier than the last one. I'm still expecting your answer, guys. I'm going to mute the microphone for a little bit to give you time to concentrate and do the math. Oh, I'm laughing. Hey, wow. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. Keep it up and more. I love this. You're encouraging me. I love this. Very soon I'll review the answer as usual. Guys, does any other person have a contrary answer to what Amo has said? Come on, guys. There are 2 other persons watching this live stream. I've seen 2 other persons. Although we are about 10 before and some persons have left. But who is currently there with Amo? Come on, tell me something. Give me the answer to this question. Give me the answer to this question. The monthly salary of a man is $2,625. What is his annual income salary? Does any other person have a contrary answer to what Anmo has said? Okay, I have 2 minutes left. I've already talked for 3 minutes. I'll be revealing the answer soon. When I unmute my microphone, I'll tell you guys the answer after I do my countdown. Okay, guys, our time is up. I'm going to do my countdown from 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the time is up. So the answer to question 7 is drum roll. The answer is A. 31,500. So Ammo has gotten the answer to the question once again. Ammo, kudos to you. Kudos to you, Ammo. You are really a math genius. I love that. I love the energy you're giving me. That means you've gotten about, if I'm not mistaken, 4 answers correctly on this live stream. And you didn't start from the beginning. I'm sure if you had started from the beginning with me, you would have gotten all the answers correctly. That's lovely. That's lovely. Keep it up and more. Thank you for joining my live stream. Thank you for engaging on my live stream. Alright, we are heading into the final question for today. These questions are the next question is actually easy. It's easy. Don't rush. Don't rush, rather focus, think fast, and let's see who finishes strong. The final question is coming up right now. That's question 8. If you've been playing along since the beginning and you haven't gotten any questions correctly, this one's for you. This is the time for you to actually engage. Your time starts now. So I'm sharing question 8, which is the last and final question for today's live stream, guys. Stay with me, guys. I'm almost done. Stay with me, guys. I'm almost done. Stay with me, guys. I'm almost done. So, guys, question 8 says a milk container can store 8 liters of milk. How many containers are required to store 6,408 liters? We have options A, 51,264 liters, containers rather. We have option B, 801 containers. We have option C, 601 containers. We have option D, 1,408 containers. Let me know the answer in the comment section, guys. If a milk container can store 8 liters of milk, how many containers do you think can store 6,408 liters? We have the Ammo says B. Wow. I love this. These questions are quite easy for you. Ammo says B. 801. I love that. I love that. Oh my god. You are a math genius. Oh, great job so far. Does any other person have a contrary answer to this? Does any other person have a contrary answer to this question? Come on, there are 7 other persons watching this live stream right now with me. There are 7 other persons I can see currently on screen, although I know that there are others that the algorithm is not showing me. Who else has something to say? Who else has a contrary answer to this question? React in the chat box. Make use of the chat box. Okay, make use of the chat box. Make use of the chat box. Amno says the answer to question 8 is B, 801 containers. He's saying that 801 containers can store 6,408 liters of milk. Does any other person have a contrary answer to this? Let me know in the chat box before I review the answer. I've already been talking for a long time, and we have 2 minutes to go before I reveal the answer to this question. Come on, does any other person have a contrary answer? Ammo, if you don't mind, let me know where you're chatting from. Where you're watching from, rather. They're almost the same thing. Let me know where you're watching this live stream from. As for me, I'm live streaming from Uyo, and Uyo is in Akwa Ibom State, and Akwa Ibom State is in Nigeria. Let me know where you're watching from. Not only you, any other person watching this live stream, let me know in the chat box where you are watching from. I'd like to know where my live stream, notification is reaching. I'd like to know how far the live stream has gone. Okay? If you're enjoying this quiz, Amal says he's watching from India. Wow. How is India today? I hope it's good. I hope it's good. Over here in Nigeria, we are great. The weather is fine. Thank you for watching my video all the way from India. God bless you. I go live every day And on my live streams, I share stories. Apart from the stories I tell, he said I am in sixth standard. Oh, I'm not saying he's in sixth standard. Wow, that's great. That's great. Kudos to you, Ammo. Kudos to you. That's great. That's great. Oh, I love that. I love the energy you've been giving me. Thank you for participating in my live stream, Ammo. Any other person watching can tell me where you are watching from. Tell me where you're watching from in the chat box. Make use of the chat box, guys. Don't just keep quiet or be silent. Make use of the chat box, guys. Okay? I hope today's quiz questions were not difficult. Of course, they are not difficult. Look at Amnon. He's answering the question so fast. That's great. Okay. I think I've talked for like 5 minutes long. So I am going to do my countdown and then I'll review the answer to question 8. Here we go. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the time is up. The time is up. So the answer to question 8 is drum roll. The answer to question 8 is B. 801 containers are required to store 6,408 liters of milk. So kudos to Ammo. Kudos to Ammo once again. You got the answer correctly. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. So, I want to let you know that I go live every evening, and on my live stream, I do not only share stories, I also share fun brain games and math puzzles like this one, okay? Like this one. So, tomorrow, between the hours of, okay, I'm going to flip the camera right now to show my face, I think, so that you can see me. I'm going to flip the camera right now. It's a little bit dark already. Oh, hello, Ammo. Hello to you. Thank you for joining my live stream. So we've come to the end of today's live stream. I said earlier on at the beginning of this live stream that I'll be live streaming for 1 hour. I'm 1 hour is gone. Okay, right now I have 1 hour 5 minutes displaying on my screen. Thank you for joining my live stream. Thank you for engaging on my live stream. Take note that I go live every evening, and on my live stream I share fun math puzzles like this one. I also share brain teasers. Um, I also share stories. I also share puzzles. Anything that you can think of. Sometime next week I may be sharing animal puzzles, not only math puzzles. Okay, so thank you for joining my live stream today. Tomorrow I'll be going live at the same time, but this time around I'll be going live at an earlier time, around between 4 and 5 p.m. So I hope to see you or engage with you. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, same time, same place, doing the same things together. Okay. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I have some awesome African folktale stories on my channel. There is a recent upload on my channel. Head over to my channel right now and watch that video. Like the video, watch it to the end, drop a comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.